I was not prepared for a fish that size.
And that happened again. It's like 4:30. No, it's like 5 o'clock now. It's like 10 to 5 a.m. I forgot my headlamp. Like, I didn't forget it. I just misplaced it from between my house and here. But anyways, we're out here chasing muskie. I have this safety light from my PFD, so I'm gonna use this to light my way. Yes. Got you. Yeah, I got a good one. All right, I'm all hung up here. All right. Come on. Oh, not another one. No way. I just broke another rod, but I might have broke my PB again. Oh, we got you now. We got you now. Oh, he almost jumped right out of the net there. Wow, you're heavy. You are heavy. Okay, we're gonna get you right back in the water right after I lift you up here. Oh my gosh. This is huge. I don't feel comfortable trying to measure this fish because I just want it to survive. Get it back in the water. All right, let's go. Okay. Easily, that's got to be 45. That was way bigger. That was bigger than my last fish. I need to work out. That was a heavy fish. I'm slimed. Okay, let's keep fishing. Maybe I can get another. What? What? Oh my gosh. I gotta figure out measuring these fish. That just took me a little too long to unhook, in my opinion. And as an amateur muskie angler, I don't really know if that's true, but that was my third muskie. I've been trying all summer for that. And that happened again. Oh, no way. Shoot. Well, thanks, Sam. Samantha Dadson's Sprangle did it again for me. In the Dirty Vegas color, I think it is. Not Dirty Vegas. Listen to me, just Vegas. Yeah. Well, I finally did it. Took long enough. Took all summer. Finally in September, I got my third. Ah, so sick. Got it on a bucktail too. Got it at a distance. So it was like halfway through my retrieve. I was just about to pull it through some weeds, and all of a sudden I felt some resistance. I thought, oh, that's the weeds. Give it a good tug. No, that's not weeds. That's pulling back. And yeah, that beautiful fish. But I'm gonna talk about it more when I get off the water. I'm gonna keep fishing.
So I finally made it happen, and what it took was me going out super early in the morning. It's something I haven't done all season, was try and go for muskie before the sun rises. And that seems to be what paid off this time, at least. So I think I'll be going in the morning a little bit more often or late at night. I'm gonna avoid the middle of the day. I think that's kind of a standard thing for muskie anglers usually. Don't know what I'm gonna do about my rod. I don't know if I can afford to replace the muskie rod right now. We'll have to see about that. And you know, I thought that I was ready for a big fish like that. I wasn't. I was not prepared for a fish that size. At least I wasn't prepared to document it properly. I didn't get any photos, just the video, which is good enough, really. I can get stills from this. I would have loved to get a measurement on that fish to know whether or not I actually beat my PB or not. But I'm confident that was bigger than my PB. Anyways, if you like that video, hit that like button, subscribe to see more. I'll catch you later.